If you're anything like me, mornings are pretty hectic and you just don't have time to make breakfast. So, what I like to do is have grab and go options available, and these lemon blueberry streusel muffins are the perfect fit. They have lots of flavor. They got the blueberries, and the lemon flavor comes in here so good. It's a great way to start your day. And yeah, let's just head on over to the kitchen and start making these.
To get started on this recipe, we're going to need to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. In a small bowl, we're going to combine half a cup of flour, a quarter cup of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to give that a good whisk and get everything all nice and mixed together. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And we're going to whisk that together until it starts to come together nicely. It's going to have some larger clumps while whisking, and you're just going to use your hand to break those larger clumps up. And you just want your mixture to look like wet sand when you're done. We're going to set that aside, and into a large bowl we are going to put our dry ingredients, which is 2.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and then we're just going to mix that together, make sure everything's nice and incorporated. Then in another large bowl, we are going to add our 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of melted butter, the zest of 1 lemon, and the juice of that lemon, or 3 tablespoons of lemon juice if you do not have the lemon. Next, we're just going to get that a big whisk, and we just looking to get everything mixed together and start breaking down that sugar. We just don't want it to be too grainy. Then we're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and half a teaspoon of almond extract. And then we're going to whisk that together really well. Again, we're just looking to break down that sugar a little bit so it's a little less grainy and there's no lumps. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. And we're just going to gently fold that in. We're just looking to get this all mixed in together without any major lumps. You do not want to overmix this. It will make your muffins very dense and not very fluffy. Now we want to gently fold in our 2 cups of blueberries. And we want to be kind of gentle when we're folding these in so you don't break the blueberries and turn your batter into a blue mess. Now in a 12 thing muffin tin, you're going to put your paper cups, and as you can see, I only had 7. Oops! I thought I had more, but apparently I only had 7. So the other remaining 5, I just took cooking spray and sprayed the inside and they were fine. For your muffins, you're going to want to fill these about 2/3 of the way full. You don't want to get them too full or else they're going to overflow and burn in the oven. Now we're going to put the streusel topping on the top of our muffins. And we do have quite a bit of streusel topping, so don't be afraid to go on pretty heavy with this. And you just want to cover all of your muffins and then put this in our 400-degree oven for 18 minutes. And when they come out, it looks a little something like this. And oh my gosh, they smell so delicious when they are cooking. And look at the inside of this. Yum. It's time to dive in and try these.
I really hope you guys give these a try. These are so good. They're just amazing. That lemon flavor, the zest. It's like a little bite of sunshine. It is so yummy. This is like the best way to start your day. It's quick, it's easy, no fuss. You've got several, so it's not like you don't have to, you don't have to worry about things for a couple days because, well, you have extras. Definitely give these a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel because I have more great content where this came from and lots of meal ideas. You can check out some of the videos that I have listed over here for lots more great ideas. And as always, I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye. So good.